Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this cute pirate ship and I used all the default brushes, so you guys don't have to worry. I hope you like it. Use the paint bucket tool and fill the color for the sky. Create a layer on the top. To draw the ocean at the center of the canvas, use the horizontal symmetry tool, draw the line and just disable the tool. As you can see, paint bucket doesn't work correctly. We'll have to color it manually. Create a new layer on the top, use the path tool to draw the pirate ship. The brush size is 11 pixel right now. It's really helpful tool, especially when you don't have a stylus to draw. You can draw almost anything using this tool. Use circle icon to create a curved line and square for hard corners. After you're done drawing the ship, just tap on the icon right next to it to complete the loop, then disable the tool. I forgot, so I'll draw it myself. Now, draw the planks on the ship. Use the grid tool to draw straight lines fast. Create a layer below and enable this layer, then fill color on it. Close the gap and fill them too. Now, merge this layer to the outline layer. Create a layer on the top and add more details to the ship. Use the rectangle tool for the remaining parts. Add two windows, tap on this stamp to duplicate. Disable the tool and erase the top part, then draw the curve. Use the rectangle tool for the remaining windows. Add one circular right here. Draw the railing using same tool. Create a layer below to fill paint on it. Keep this option enabled. Use the grid tool for these bars on the railing. Make sure that it's enabled. Disable this tool and enable the circle tool. Create a layer on top of this layer and draw the cannons in the lower windows. Create a clip layer for the cannons, add some reflections. Now, merge all the paint layers. Create a layer above this layer and draw reflection on the glass windows also. And draw some lines on this wooden window. Merge it with the outline layer. Erase the extra part here. Now, merge it with the main ship. Create a layer below it, and draw all the poles on it. Use the rectangle tool now. Tap here to duplicate it. Create a layer below, and fill the color or color it manually. Now, merge it with the outline layer. Create a layer on the top, and draw all the sails on it. I'm using same size brush, which is 11 pixel. Enable the rectangle tool for remaining sails. Again, tap here to create more duplicates. Draw a pirate flag on top of the pole. Erase all the vertical line on the sails and draw curved lines instead. Create a layer below again to fill the paint on it. Create a clip layer and draw some shadows on the sails. Now, merge all the layers with main ship layer. Create a layer on the top and draw ropes on the front side of the ship. Brush size is 5 pixels. Create one more rope layer below the ship and draw ropes on the backside of the ship. Then merge both rope layers with the ship layer. Now, the ship is complete. Use the selection tool. Tap on Transform option, and place the ship at the center of the canvas. Create a layer below, and enable the Grid tool. Just draw a line and merge it to the ship as well. Create one more layer below, and draw highlights on the ocean using the Grid tool. Brush size is 70 pixel right now. Draw long and short lines simultaneously. Lower the opacity of this layer according to your likings. Use the eraser of similar size to erase the tips of the short lines. I'm using 65 pixel. Create a similar layer on top of this using same method. Erase some of the middle part too. Keep its opacity more than the first one, then merge both layers. Disable the Grid tool, we don't need it now. Create a layer below the ocean layer, enable the Circle tool, draw a circle. Tap here to create a duplicate, lower its opacity, and create two more similar layers below it. Now, merge all three layers together. On this same layer, draw the sun. Disable the Circle tool and enable the Radial Symmetry tool, drag it on top of the sun and draw a tiny line on it, then add some highlights. Create a layer above, and draw some clouds using same method we used for the ocean highlights. Now, merge all the cloud and ocean highlight layers together. Create 2 layers on the top, change its type to soft light and color burn on other layer. Draw the highlight on the layer with soft light. And draw all the shadows on the color burn layer. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.